Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I got a monocular for you. Great for spotting, for like animals and wildlife and whatnot. Animals, that's funny. Wildlife. It is a 12 by 50 high definition monocular. And the cool part about this bad boy is that it has a cell phone attachment onto it. So this is gonna be cool. We're going to test it outside. It is freaking cold as crap. It's like this cold. It's like a negative 12 degrees or something like that with the wind chill factor. So it is absolutely nuts. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. Let's do a quick unboxing of it. And just take care of that. So this is the cell phone holder. I want you to put it in all different directions. Here's a monocular itself. It has a tripod mount, and we're going to do some checking out with this thing. So this is going to be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to how to mount this on and everything. This should be really snazzy. Looking forward to it. Tiny little tripod, tabletop tripod, and we're going to give this a shot. So let's go outside and give it a go. All right. So the first thing I've noticed right now is that the hole for the screw mount, and it doesn't tighten up. So I've screwed this in all the way and it's not tightening. So that's not good. So that's why it's wobbly. So it does work. It's a little pain in the neck to set up, but I was able to get it to stay on the device. This tripod is not a very good tripod for it, because it just isn't. The handle is in the way. But we could get some good close-up shots with this of the backyard. That's not bad. Not bad at all. But it's not something, if you have patience, then this may work. But definitely not for cold days. Definitely not for cold days. But it does zoom in pretty good. 12 by 50. But I'm going to say this is more of a gimmick. Not something I would recommend, but like I said, I will have a link in the description below to purchase this if interested. So this is how you mount the device so you can actually use it for a cell phone, which is kind of nice. This just comes off like so. So guys, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Like I said, this is not something for everyone. And if you really want to capture special moments of wildlife, this may be the tool for you. So take care, guys.